Make a great choice today with the 2019 Passport. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.